Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be here with me today. Walter here at the workbench with some thoughts. Thoughts for 2026. I'm running a few thoughts through me brain. I have so many tools that there are too many. So I'm contemplating two different paths to go down. Follow me. One path would be to build wooden planes to replace all of my iron planes and part with my iron planes. Sell them. I mean, we all know that my wooden jack does exactly what I ask it to do, right? So if this is doing what I ask it to, why do I need this? Right? And if my smoother is working just fine, then why do I need this? You following me so far? I have an opportunity to acquire. Now, this is the other path. I have an opportunity to acquire some high-end planes that could replace my Stanley 4.5, my Stanley 5.5, my Stanley 6, and my Stanley number 7. With super high-end iron-bodied planes. You see my conundrum? Now, since I am not relying on these planes to make a living, and I am not beating them up, I could build wooden bodied versions. I know how to do it. You know that. And part with all of these. Just part with all of these. Possibly keep maybe a 4 and a 5, because I have 2 more 5s over there, and I have 2 more 4s over there. Just pick the best one and keep that one. So I have 3 choices. 1, do absolutely nothing and just use what I got. Easy peasy. Number 2, slowly but decisively remake a smoother, a jack, whether it be jumbo or not, a 4-plane and a triplane, all in wood body. And that's all I'll use the rest of my life. Or part with everything that I have here and over there. Part with it and replace it with this high-end brand in the 4.5, 5.5, 6 and 7. And in another video I'll talk about why, for me, the 4.5, 5.5, 6 and 7 makes so much more sense than any other plane. You can do everything with those 4 planes. And you can interchange the blades. They're all the same size, all the same thickness, all the same. So, what would you do? Nothing? Just keep going with what we got? Costs me nothing to do that. Go down the wooden bodied planes and replace one at a time. Or go the super high end. It's going to cost me a little something to do that, but these will all get parted with and more. I'm not asking you to make my decisions for me, but it's an opportunity that I have that is not a bad opportunity. The hardest part of decisions is making the decision. Once the decision is made, easy peasy. I hope you found something useful, helpful, maybe entertaining. If you have any questions on selecting a plane, what each plane does, leave it down in the comment section. But I'm at a crossroads. It's not even just a fork in the road, it's a fork in the road. Got a bunch of little paths I could possibly take. Give it the old thumbs up. Costs you nothing. Subscribe. Costs you nothing. Share. Costs you nothing. But head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.